Welcome to Session 17. Exponents and radicals are the same language written two ways. Today we use exponent laws, negative and rational exponents, radical simplification, and equal base equations. For the same base, multiplying adds exponents, and dividing subtracts exponents. This rule is about matching bases, not matching coefficients. A power raised to a power means multiply exponents. If the parentheses contain a coefficient and a variable, the outside power applies to both factors. Negative exponents mean reciprocal. Fractional exponents mean roots. 1/2 is a square root, 1/3 is a cube root, and 3/2 is a square root with a third power. To simplify a square root, factor out the largest perfect square. 72 is 36 times 2, so the square root of 72 is 6 times the square root of 2. Equal base equations let you match exponents after the bases are rewritten. Scientific notation uses the same idea: multiply coefficients and add powers of 10. Your turn. Simplify x to the -3 times x to the 5th. Pause and use the same base product rule. The bases match, so add the exponents. -3 plus 5 is 2, so the expression simplifies to x squared. Session 17 recap. Same base products add exponents, quotients subtract exponents, and power of a power multiplies exponents. Negative exponents mean reciprocal, and fractional exponents connect directly to radicals.